Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here we have 1998 Toyota Tacoma with approximately 173,000 miles. She is equipped with the 4-cylinder 2.7 liter engine, which is nicely here on the table. I was asked to replace head gasket on this, so I just pulled the head off. I want to show you how much rust buildup is in those coolant passages. So first I started looking on this head, right? So this is the front and it's upside down, so that will be the passenger side, right? That's that heavy buildup. Coming back here, there is also buildup in this passage. The other one, it's pretty okay. Maybe I'm moving too fast. But let's go and look on the head gasket, which is still on the engine. So this is the new one. I just want to show you. There's supposed to be such a little openings in certain areas, right? Let me go get a light to look down there. Yep, that will be better. So if you look on these spots, right, it's a huge buildup of the rust that's coming. These little openings which supposed to be there are completely plugged. Like here, you see that? That's completely plugged by the rust, certain areas. So obviously that will be due to the incorrect coolant. We don't know what happened right in the past, if there was always good coolant. Well, look at this. Isn't that crazy? It's this one is plugged completely, right? Look at these amounts of rust. If you look on the owner's manual of this Tacoma, at that time Toyota was not even recommending the long life, right? Long life, it's the red fluid, right? So it came with a generic green one, but that doesn't mean it was always there, right? That somebody might just have put it there and so on. So I want to show you, that's very interesting, right? How it's plugged, right, and how it's supposed to be cooling then. So I will pull off this head gasket and let's look at it. So I try to peel it off carefully, right, and not disturb it. This ripped off, and we will go back to the engine and you will see it plugged there. This one is completely shut, right, plugged. This one seems to be that I can't see through either, right? And this one has a miniature pinhole, but it should be better, right? It should be like here. You see the difference, right? These are the good ones. Hopefully the camera is showing it. And these ones are basically plugged shut. Very interesting, right? And just for your curiosity, right? This is very thin, so no big deal. This is very thin film, but this is actually pretty hard. Oh, finally it gave up. Look at that. Wow. Yep, what's about this one? Oh, hard. Look at that. That's amazing. This one gave up. Look at that. How bad it is. The coolant is present there, but the passage is closed. This one, I'm banging on it pretty hard, and it's still, finally, I'm getting inside. Well, now you have idea how bad it is. And unfortunately I cannot tell you what were the symptoms or why it was diagnosed for this head gasket replacement. It was completely different shop. I wasn't part of it. I was just awarded the job to do that. So I hope you have found it interesting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you are subscribed. I will always have good content coming your way soon. See you later.